The 10 best horror movies on Netflix. The Conjuring. The American supernatural horror film was written by Chad Hayes and Kerry W. Hayes and directed by James Wan. Paranormal investigators, played by Patrick Wilson and Vera Farmiga, are called to a house where a supernatural presence has made itself known. They are tasked with ridding the house of the evil presence, but this proves more difficult than they thought, as they discover the house has an evil past. The film was praised by critics for its screenplay, direction, atmosphere and musical score, and went on to gross over $319 million worldwide. Insidious is an American-Canadian supernatural horror film written by Lee Whannell and directed by James Wan. The cast includes Patrick Wilson, Rose Byrne, and Barbara Hershey, and it's the first installment in the Insidious franchise. The film follows the parents of a young boy, who bizarrely enters into a comatose state and begins to become possessed by entities from an astral dimension. It was released in theaters on April 1, 2011, and was the first release from Film District. Insidious grossed over $13 million at the box office upon release and has since gone on to gross $97 million worldwide. The 2015 American horror thriller film, Green Room, was written and directed by Jeremy Saulnier. The film is about a punk band that find themselves witnessing a murder at a remote nightclub in the Pacific Northwest, and subsequently find themselves being attacked by neo-Nazi skinheads. It was well received by critics and is widely regarded by many as one of the best films of 2016, going on to receive an Empire Award nomination for Best Horror in 2017. However, on a $5 million budget, it only managed to bring in $3.8 million at the box office. The next best horror movie on Netflix is the 2018 Israeli supernatural horror film, The Golem. The film was written by Ariel Cohen and directed by Doro and Yoav Paz. It's based around the Jewish legend of the same name and follows a woman as she tries to save her community from a deadly plague and foreign invaders. So, she decided to conjure a supernatural entity that turns out to be eviler than she anticipated. Critics praised the film for its cinematography, atmosphere and performance, and it was nominated for several industry awards. Zombie apocalypse action thriller, Train to Busan was directed by Yeon Sang-go. The film is set, the majority of the time, on a train to Busan during a zombie apocalypse, which threatens the safety of the passengers as they become trapped with nowhere to go. The film premiered at the 2016 Cannes Film Festival on the 13th of May and set a new Korean record for the best Korean film of 2016 to break the audience record of over 10 million theatergoers. It became the highest-grossing Korean film in Malaysia, Hong Kong, and Singapore, and grossed over $93 million worldwide. The Perfection is an American physiological thriller, directed by Richard Shepard. The film is about a troubled musical prodigy who runs into the new star pupil of her former school, not by a coincidence, which then leads to a sinister sequence of events that have tragic consequences. It made its world premiere at Fantastic Fest on September 20, 2018, and was available to watch on Netflix on May 24, 2019. Under the Shadow is a Persian-language supernatural horror film written and directed by Babak Anvari. The film follows a mother and daughter that are continually haunted by a mysterious evil in Tehran during the 1980s, alongside the War of the Cities. Produced by Wigwam Films, a British film company, Under the Shadow made its film debut at the 2016 Sundance Film Festival and was then acquired by Netflix. This 1968 American psychological horror film is based on the novel of the same name by Ira Levin. The film is about a pregnant woman who thinks that an evil cult wants to kidnap her child to use in their rituals and realizes that her child might not be of this world. Rosemary's Baby won numerous awards and was highly praised by film critics. It went on to be selected for preservation in the National Film Registry by the Library of Congress, as it was deemed culturally, historically and aesthetically significant. The second best horror movie on Netflix right now to watch is The Witch. It's a supernatural period horror film written and directed by Robert Eggers. The film follows an English family who comes into contact with forces of evil in the woods surrounding their home. When their youngest son suddenly vanishes, things begin to escalate and the family suspect that the oldest daughter is practicing witchcraft. It premiered at the 2015 Sundance Film Festival on January 27, 2015, and was a massive box office success, grossing over $40 million on a $4 million budget. The best horror movie on Netflix right now is Creep 2. The American physiological horror movie was directed by Patrick Brice and written by Brice and Mark Duplass. It's the sequel to the 2014 film Creep, number 12 on the list, and follows the journey of a videographer who's on the lookout for her next shocking story. She realizes that she's made a terrible mistake this time when she goes to a cabin and meets a serial killer, which is not what she was expecting at all. The film premiered at Sitges Film Festival on October 6, 2017, and a further sequel has been confirmed, titled Creep 3.